Welcome to Monfex. By the end of this video tutorial, you will learn how to use the Monfex trading platform. Once you have successfully launched the trading platform, you should see the workspace of the platform. The workspace is divided into 5 sections. At the top, the platform shows your account information and general settings. On the left, you will find a list of asset categories available for trading, as well as useful analytical tools. In the center, you will see a full list of financial instruments available for trading. On the right, you will find a live price chart of the selected financial instrument, and at the bottom, you will find the tools and information necessary to manage your positions and orders. Now, let's review each of these sections in more detail. The first section shows general settings and account information. Here you will find your free balance, used margin, open P&L, equity, and balance. A positive amount of open P&L means that your market position has generated a profit. In contrast, a negative amount of open P&L shows a floating loss. Also, on the right side you can select the language of the platform, change platform settings, including enable one-click trading. This option allows you to perform trade transactions in a single click without confirmations. Enable sound notifications. This option allows to play sound notifications when executing trade transactions. Enable desktop notifications. This setting will notify you of any important event even when your web browser is closed. And trading unit. You can choose whether to display trading volumes as a currency amount or in lots. For beginners, we recommend using amounts as a default setting. Also, you can enable the full screen view, open your account preferences, and log out. The second section contains a list of asset classes available for trading on the Monfex trading platform. These include currencies, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. You can select any of these categories of assets, and a full list of instruments will appear on the right side. Below the list of asset classes are additional tools designed to help you make profitable trading decisions. The first tool is the economic calendar. Traders use the calendar to analyze important macroeconomic events and indicators to project future price changes. A calendar is an indispensable tool for fundamental analysis of financial markets based on economic news. There are more than 500 indicators of the world's largest economies included in the calendar. If you click on any indicator, you will see its brief description, the graph of historical data, as well as the previous and forecasted numbers. The second tool is called technical analysis. This tool allows you to determine the direction and strength of the price trend and thus to decide when to buy and sell a particular instrument. On the left side, you can switch between different asset classes such as currencies, commodities, indices, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. On the right side, you will find a list of specific trading instruments within a selected asset class and active trading signal for every instrument on different time frames. Scroll down to review a full list of trade signals. When you are ready to trade, click on a button with a trade signal. An open deal window will appear. Specify the trade volume. Then confirm your trade by clicking on a sell button if you believe the price will go down, or by clicking on a buy button if you believe the price will go up. To obtain more information on trade signals and the technical analysis performed by professional analysts, click on the AutoChartist Signals tab. These signals are prepared by professional traders and are available for all popular trading instruments. You can execute a trade transaction right from this window. Let's move on. The third section of the trading platform contains a list of trading instruments in a selected asset class. In this section, you can scroll down to see a full list of instruments, explore active trade signals, assess at a glance the daily price change, buy or sell at a market price, place a limit order to buy or sell at a future price, and visualize the price chart. The fourth section of the trading platform is the price chart. This is the area where traders analyze the chart and perform technical analysis to project future price changes and make informed trading decisions. You can set different time frames of the chart. The time frame chosen reflects the time duration of each of the bars shown on the charts. This is extremely helpful when identifying trends. Execute trade transactions by placing either a market order or a limit order. Expand the price chart and make other useful customizations, such as adding horizontal and vertical lines to the chart. Now, it's time to learn how to enter the market by placing an order. There are two types of market orders: sell orders and buy orders. A buy order should be placed if you believe the price is going to rise. When you buy an asset at a low price and then sell it at a higher price, you are making a profit from the price appreciation. A sell order or short position should be placed if you believe the price is going to decline. When you sell an asset at a high price and then buy it back at a lower price, you are making a profit from the price depreciation. The price listed next to the buy and sell buttons are the current market price at which an order will be executed once you press the button. So, to place a market order, click on the Open Deal button, specify the trade size that you'd like to buy or sell, and then select the direction, either sell or buy. Later, when the position is opened, you can set take profit and stop loss prices if needed. The fifth section of the trading platform, located on the bottom, is the Deals tab. It contains all the information you need on your open deals and closed deals. Once you open a position, you will have all the information about open positions on the Deals tab. Click the Open Positions sub-tab, and it will show you all of your open positions and other useful information. If you want to take a profit or close your position, click the Close button under the Open Positions tab. The next tab is the Limit Orders tab, which shows the orders you have placed that haven't been executed on the market yet. The next tab is the Closed tab. It lists every action that was made regarding buying and selling, including the details of your recently closed positions. That was a Monfex trading platform video tutorial. We hope you find it entertaining and informative. Thanks for listening, and happy trading from all of us at Monfex.